So today I'm going to show you guys how I fold some clothes. So just a simple technique in folding clothes. So this is my own way, and it's all up to you guys to if you want to follow my own way of folding clothes. So this is not brand new, guys, so bear with me. This is an old socks. So how will I fold it, guys? Put it together. I'll just put like that. Or you could do the other way. Then using our DIY basket out of paper, put it there. But there were some maybe need some pierce. It's not able to fold. So if you're in a hurry, guys, this is one way to avoid searching the pair of your socks. Especially if you're in a hurry. So it's better to put like this, then you can find where your socks is, rather than you will mix with other stuff and it's not easy for you to find, especially when you are in a hurry in the morning. So try to find a basket or an area that you could find all your socks. It could be a cabinet. So like that. Okay. And some there is no pierce, so maybe we find it in the laundry. Now, since we are done with this, I'm going to show you again how to fold the clothes. Let's make sure there's no dust, because we will put our clothes. Okay, so next is how to fold the leggings. This is easy, guys. It's just the same as your socks. I'm not ironing this one, guys, because it's leggings. It's up to you if you will put up to the end or you will fold 3 times. It depends on your drawer, guys. If you have your drawer long or short, maybe you could do like the socks. as long as you can insert it here. So it depends how long is your drawer. So you can just put it that way. So it depends. If you want a shorter one, then you can fold it on your own choice. It depends on the length of your drawer. If your drawer is quite long, then do it that way. Okay. The next, how to fold the t-shirts. Usually iron this one, but today, just for the sake of the video, guys, I will not iron, and I just, but it's nice to iron the clothes, guys, because if they're, to avoid the, if you are sensitive, if you are having a sensitive skin, then it's good to, and also it's nice to look at when it is clean and neat. But for the sake of the video, I'm not doing the ironing this time. I'll just show you how to fold. So by this time, I will just show you how to fold. I just do it like that. Yeah. Make sure it will not overlap. And one way to teach your kids, guys, basic thing which the kid must learn at home, because this is the foundation of their you know, like it has a big role on their life later in their when they become an adult, you know. It is a big help, because if they know the basic, it's easy for them to do the, you know, the things that they must do when they become an adult. So this is the foundation, basic foundation. So I usually fold that way. But if you want to insert here, it depends on you. So some people are doing like that, but usually I will fold like that. But some people, they're folding the clothes and insert it. But I prefer that way, guys. That's my own way. So it depends, again, that's the length of your cabinet. Okay? Everybody knows the usual folding. But it's up to you. That's the common way of folding the clothes and the t-shirt. This one is a jacket. So we will remove this one here. We'll move a little bit. Alright. This is the usual, guys, that we don't like to fold because there's like a hood. So for the moment, we will try to close here so that it's easy to maneuver. So what I will do is to do it that way. And looks like crossing that side. So good to see, guys. Then I could do it in my, sometimes I will do that way and insert it here. So again, it depends on you guys. How will you arrange it on your closet? Like that. And if you want, you can fold like that. But it's up to you. This design of your closet. But usually, this kind of thing, they usually hang it on the closet, guys. But it's up to you. How will you organize your closet? And or it's either, if you will not do that kind of folding, you can do the side like that. It depends again the size and the length of your drawer. Some people, they are rolling it. Some people are doing that kind of stuff. Then you can fold it here and insert again here. But there were people like, they're also doing this kind of style, guys. Like that. Then they will insert here. They will insert the whole thing. On the hood. But this one is kind of slippery. So it depends. If you are traveling, maybe this will work. But you have to insert it. For the sake of the video, we will do it, guys. So which folding do you like? Like that. But this is not my preferred style. Don't like it. So the usual, I will insert this one. I will fold like that. Then insert that one there. That's the usual. Then it depends. Sometimes I'll just fold like that. But sometimes I will also do the insertion here. It depends again on your closet, guys. It depends on your closet. If you don't have the huge space to place everything, or especially if you don't have the place to hang your clothes like this, so if you prefer to fold, you can do like this. Okay, so I hope I was able to give you some idea on how to fold your clothes. So this is just my own style and I hope you like it. So one way to save space. But the usual, guys, this kind of stuff, it is hung because you know you want to wear it all the time, especially during the winter. So that's it for today and I hope you enjoy. So this one is one way to organize your stocks. Okay, so that's it for today's video and I hope you enjoy our video, guys. Again, shout out to all my channel members, and also I would like to make a big shout out to Lolito World Tracker. Thank you for for making me the music. And also, I would like to make a big shout out to Elinfro Virgo, Alan Cabato, Foodman Paul Vlogs, and special thanks to Marlix Journey and also Jan Bonbin, and to all my channel members. And if you want to have a shout out, guys, during my live and to my upload video, well, press the join button down below and I'll give you a big shout out, guys, every time I have the live and also upload videos. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and catch you soon. Bye for now.